EVs are electric vehicles, and they are any vehicle that contains either an electric motor and some kind of battery component. They can also have a gas engine. They can have, you can have a hybrid electric, a plug-in electric, or you can have a fully battery vehicle. So benefits of EVs, they're zero emission vehicles on the ground. They don't have any exhaust coming from the tailpipe. They're lower CO2 emissions overall, so fewer greenhouse gases. For someone who's looking to purchase a EV, they're lower operational costs and lower maintenance costs. It's on average 57% cheaper to quote unquote fuel your electric vehicle versus a gas vehicle. And then of course, there are also state and federal options. EV owners are exempt from emissions inspections, and there are some other state and federal benefits as well. So here in Fayetteville and Cumberland County, customers have a couple different charging options. PwC installed a couple years ago 4 public charging stations. They are scattered around the area. Each one is a level 2 charger. They feature 2 different charge points, and EV owners can opt to charge for free currently at any of those 4 locations. So the 4 charging stations here in Fayetteville and Cumberland County were installed in partnership with the NC Clean Tech Center. They were sponsored in part by a grant. So the project focuses on increasing and improving air quality and increasing awareness around sustainable transportation technologies. So the Fayetteville Ev Club is brand new. We've just started it. Basically, PwC was looking to facilitate the conversation between EV owners, people who are interested in electric vehicles, and businesses in the community, city and county officials. We're just kind of stepping into the conversation. So we're just trying to get as much information out there as possible and try and get as many people talking as possible. So some good sources of information for people who are interested in electric vehicles. You can visit the Sustainable Stand Hills website. It's pluginnc.com. There's also a great page from caranddriver.com/EV if you're looking to compare the myriad of electric vehicles that are now on the market. Just this past year, there's been a surge from pretty much every auto manufacturer in the market. They have at least one EV or hybrid EV option for someone who's interested. There are also some great apps if someone's looking to get into an electric vehicle. PlugShare is a great app for someone who's looking to see just what types of charging are available. My Green Car is a great app for someone who's looking to see how an electric vehicle would specifically fit into their lifestyle. It follows your daily driving habits and tells you how much you would save, how you would need to charge, basically how you would need to change your habits in order to adopt an EV lifestyle. So I'm excited that EVs are picking up speed. You know, back in the 90s and early 2000s, there were very limited options for people who were concerned about the emissions and were interested in the technology. And just in the past couple years, everybody's jumped on board. You know, if you drive a car or an SUV or a truck, your options and costs are almost the exact same of internal combustion engines. So if you're looking for something that fits your lifestyle, you have a myriad of options. They are out there, and all you have to do is step into the role.
So we have an electric vehicle in our fleet, and we plan on moving forward with the trend of electric vehicles in the future. It's important for PwC to have fuel-efficient vehicles in our fleet and going green. We have a charging station currently located at Fleet Maintenance for our EV. We currently have some hybrid pickups on order to increase our green fleet initiative, and PwC help move forward going green.